One question I get a lot is, where do you get the music for your drone videos? So today I'm going to answer that question and give you the one source where I get all the music for my videos, as well as 5 other free and paid music licensing sites for drone videos. So first of all, if you don't want to spend any money, there are free music licensing sites. Now these do have some limitations, which we'll get to in a minute, but you can sometimes find some surprisingly good stuff on these sites. So the first site where you can find free music is Pixabay. Pixabay is originally a free stock photo site. They have all kinds of random photos that you can download and use for free, but they do also have free music that you can download and use in your videos without charge. And what you find on here can be a bit all over the place, but with some digging, you can find some pretty good tracks for free. And their licensing terms are pretty broad as well. You can use it for pretty much whatever you want. And they do also have free sound effects as well, which is fantastic. Our next free music licensing site is Pond5's collection of free stock music. This is one that I've heard almost no one talk about, and they actually have some pretty decent tracks. Pond5 is actually a paid stock media site. They license stock footage, music, sound effects, just about anything you can think of, but they have this collection of free stock music tracks. You can sort by different categories, and some of the stuff here is actually quite decent, and again, it's free, so this is definitely worth checking out. I will put a link to this down in the description because I'm not sure how easy it is to find otherwise. By the way, if you want to learn how to not just find music for your drone videos, but edit them together into professional cinematic masterpieces, there's a couple things you'll want to check out. First of all, inside of my drone filmmaking course, Flying Filmmaker, I have entire video editing sections for both DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere Pro, going through all of the different tools and how to use them to create great drone videos. You can check that course out at flyingfilmmakerpro.com, or the link will also be down in the description. And if you're not ready to dive into the full paid course yet, I do have a completely free 45-minute drone filmmaking training where I share my top 10 secrets to creating amazing professional drone videos, which includes a section with some of my top tips on how to edit amazing drone videos. And so link to watch that free training is down in the description as well. Now back to the music licensing sites. And the third free place to get music for your videos is YouTube's own audio library. To access this, you'll just go to studio.youtube.com. You'll need to have a YouTube or Google account to access this. And once this loads up, you can go down here to Creator Music and click on the free tab, click on View All, and you can sort these tracks by genre, by mood, by beats per minute length, all kinds of things. And here you can find a pretty extensive library of music that you can use for free on YouTube. Now, of course, there's no price better than free, but these free music licensing sites do have some limitations. First of all, the selection isn't going to be super great, and a lot of the songs aren't going to be super great quality. When you're trying to find music for a video, oftentimes you have to sort through a lot of tracks to find one that just really fits with the video you're trying to make. And with free music sites, because there's a lot of low quality stuff on them, you'll have to do even more hunting to find a good track. With free music licensing sites, you also have to pay a lot of attention to the specific license for that song, and if you're going to be using them for much of anything outside of posting online, the copyright licensing can start to get a bit dicey. So if you want a better selection, better quality songs, and more solid licensing terms, you're probably going to want to look at some kind of a paid music licensing site. Now, there are sites where you can pay to license songs individually, but that can start to get expensive really quickly. So the best option for most drone pilots and creators is going to be a music licensing subscription site where you pay a monthly amount and you get unlimited access to their catalog of music. And this actually doesn't have to be as expensive as you might think. So my first go-to paid music licensing site is Artlist.io. I've been using Artlist for years and years. I think basically since I started posting videos online somewhat seriously, and they have been nothing but solid all through that time, and I highly recommend them. Artlist has a really extensive catalog of music, and it's constantly being added to as well so that you don't run out of new songs to pick from. You can filter it by length, by beats per minute. You can filter for songs that have vocals or that are just instrumental, what kind of vocals, all that kind of good stuff, and you also get stems for many of the songs, which means that you can download each of the instruments from the song individually and then go through and mute any instruments you don't like, solo a particular instrument if you like it, or just remix the whole song to your tastes. Artlist also has sound effects that come with their subscription as well. This is great for when you want to add sound design to your video, just make it more immersive by adding sounds of what you're seeing in the video. They have a quite extensive library of those sound effects as well. Now you're probably wondering how much this costs. So if we go over here to pricing, you can see that there are a few different levels, starting with just music and sound effects all the way up to their Artlist Max subscription, which includes both the music and sound effects as well as their stock footage library, their motion graphics templates for different video editors, as well as AI voiceover and video and image generation and a whole bunch of other stuff like that. I actually have their Artlist Max subscription because sometimes I use stock footage for different projects, especially for clients. But if you're just looking for music, you'll just want their music and sound effects plan. Now the pricing does vary a little bit depending on what you want to use it for. If you just want to post online, it's only $9.99 a month if you get an annual plan, or if you want to use the songs for client work, then that is $24.92 a month or $300 billed annually. And you can drop that down to just $16.58 a month if you don't need sound effects and just want the music. And one of the reasons I love Artlist is because they have a really broad license for their music. With the Pro Music subscription, you can use it for any kind of client work. You can use it for paid ads. You can even use it for something that goes on broadcast TV. All of that is covered, which is awesome. Honestly, I can't recommend Artlist enough, and they're not paying me to say this. I was using them long before I had any kind of substantial following online. They are just a really solid option for getting music for your videos, and all of the music in my videos is from Artlist. I basically don't use any other music licensing platforms. Now, if you do want to get one of Artlist's music plans, I do have a link down in the description that will give you an additional 2 months for free when you sign up for one of their annual plans. Just makes it a little bit more affordable. You get 14 months for the same price as 12 months. So again, link to that is down in the description. And yes, I do get a little bit of a cut if I use that link, but there are also affiliate programs for all the other music licensing sites, so I can get a cut from them too. But Artlist is the site that I use and love, and so that's where I'm sending you. Now, Artlist isn't the only subscription music site. There are a bunch of others out there. Some of the others that I have not used personally, but I've heard good things about, are number one, Soundstripe. These guys work basically the same way as Artlist. You pay a monthly subscription fee, and then you have access to all of their music. They have, again, a big selection. You can filter it, you can download stems, all of that same stuff. And as far as pricing goes, they are, again, pretty similar. $9.99 a month billed annually for a personal plan that lets you use it in personal projects online on your YouTube channel, on social media, and then $19.99 a month for their pro plan that lets you use it for paid work for clients. You can use it in digital ads and podcast, all that kind of stuff, but you can't use it in anything like TV, film, radio, etc. For that, you need to get their business plan, which is a custom quote. Who knows how much that costs. So not quite as flexible of a license, but pretty similar pricing for online use. And then the third paid music licensing site that I think is worth mentioning is Epidemic Sound. They are, again, same kind of model. I think these guys might have an even better library than Artlist. I haven't really used them, so I can't say for sure, but they do seem to have some great stuff. And on the pricing side, they are pretty similar. Their creator plan starts at $9.99 a month, then goes on up to $16.99, and that adds digital ads licensing and freelancer client work licensing. And then they have a $29.99 a month custom plan that has some additional uses cleared. And then again, they have enterprise custom if you want to have stuff for broadcast and TV and all that kind of stuff. Again, it's not quite as flexible licensing as Artlist, but if you just want to create content online, maybe do some client work like real estate videos, this should do just fine for you. So there are some places where you can get music for your drone videos. Now, just having good music in your drone videos won't make them automatically amazing. You need to actually learn how to get good drone shots. So if you want to do that, click right here to watch a video where I explain how to get great drone shots. And you can also check out my free drone filmmaking training. Link to that is down in the description. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like it, and we'll see you in the next one.